有没有人提？还有一个小朋友在路上。Okay, so boys and girls, since we have another boy is on the way, so we just start, and this part he can always just look at our video, right, Colton? So first of all, we're going to review the thing is called calculations. Okay, so the calculation is very important for us, and we haven't have math class for almost 2 or half or almost 3 months. So I'm not sure if all of you still remember how to calculate or something like that. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to give you 50 questions, and it's not really hard, but again, it's not easy as well, right? Eleanor, you know me, right? You know this is Colton, right? So if you think it's too hard, just blame on Colton. Okay, so Amelia, let me ask you, during the summer vacation, did you do any math or no? Yeah, you didn't turn on the, I cannot hear you.
I do it every day.
Oh, how about Colton? Did you do any math?
If I didn't do any math, how would I even do the SAT in the first place?
Okay, so Eleanor, did you do any math during the summer? Okay, so Alexander, did you do any math? You can chat. You can just type.
Alexander still not talking.
The Alexander still want to keep it secret.
Now, why can't I keep my identity secret? This is not
哎呀，
okay.
那你跟 Alexander 一样，好吧？
嗯
哦，真的，
哎呀，咱
Alexander
们
听一下啊。啊，那你怎么不是跟小猪比呢？小猪天天吃了睡，睡了吃，不用做题目的，真是。SAT, he doesn't even know anything. Jordan, did you
No.
practice any math during the summer?
Yeah.
vacation? Okay, good job. Okay, so boys and girls, you're going to have 5 minutes. Okay, as usual, everybody, you're going to take a picture and send it to Colton. Okay, Colton, you're going to be the one who
Down here.
kind of that. Okay, so 1,
The notebook, yeah.
1.5,
What?
2.5. Okay, 1, 2, go.
I have to
Write the answer. From the answer.
go.
Yeah, just answer is fine.
I leave now.
Go.
Colton, 你不能跳出来影响别的小。
它只影
So
响到了你。
the smartest students can survive under any sort of distraction.
那不行，我就不行。
啊哈哈哈哈，那是肯定行的。
Any number, let's make the equations. Yeah, just follow. Oh. 2 times 120 times 2 times 1.
加油，小朋友，加油！ Colton 要说我了，不许出来跳。
对，
我才不说你，是你说我说你干哈？我是很 open 的人。
Colton 加油！
从2个到第2个开始，这个开始，也就做完第1行跟第2句。那 Carlton 就知道说你从哪里开始。啊，that's good, that's good, just allow. Yeah, good. 那我真的成熟那个顺序。
Okay, last minute. Colton 有人做完了吗？有人给你发消息说做完吗？
I don't know. I didn't check WeChat yet.
不是，check 这个 check chatting 这个那个。
Of course not. 为什么会 send 到 chat 里面？没有人 send chat 的，也没有人 send 在那里。唉。
Okay, times is up. So first of all, everybody, please just count how many questions you did. Okay, it's okay if you don't finish it. So the first is always the hardest.
嗯
Mhm.
你放在哪里？
Okay, thank you. I have already received Amelia's. Colton, did you see it?
Amelia.
嗯哼，
哦，微信里面对不对？
嗯哼。
Yes, I can see.
My mom isn't here.
Your mom is not here? You might
Yeah.
try.
你自己说。
Say umbrella moment.
Okay, don't worry about it. Your mom is not here. You can send it to me later, okay? Okay, so everybody, I'm going to just to start to explain some questions here. So first of all, everybody, Eleanor, let's take a look at this one and this one and this one. I know this question, I get it a little bit harder for all of you. So let's just take a look at number one. Okay, something minus 8 equals 4 and 2. Okay, Jordan and Alexander, when you see this circle, Cotton, can you tell them what what's going on? Like,
You're supposed to put a sign
Yeah.
there. You can put add, minus, times, or divide.
very good. Add, minus, and a division and times. Okay, it's up to you. So let me just see. What if, okay, so this question basically they have 4 different answers. Yes, okay. So first of all, Eleanor, if your teacher Carrie is put plus here, so can you please tell me 4 plus 2 equals what?
6.
Very good. So what minus 8 equals 6?
14.
Very good. Wow. Okay, next one. 哎，我跟你们说，这个题目我前2天教了个6年级的小朋友，他都不会做。Okay, Amelia. Yeah, but that's the first class she's having with me. So for minus 2, Amelia, 如果老师放在减法在这里，等于什么？
10.
For minus 2 equals 2, right? So what's the number you're going to put it here?
10.
10. Okay, very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, next one, Jordan. Jordan, if 老师在这里插了一个叉 so 4乘以2等于多少？
8.
4 times 2 equals 8. So what minus 8 equals?
16.
不要玩好吗？
16. Very good. Alexander, I know you don't want me to talk to, you don't want to let anybody know who you are. And have you ever think about it? Maybe Alexander is a robot.
Would be a problem.
Yeah, AI. He's an AI. So Alexander, could you please tell me if I put a divide here, what's the number you're going to put it there? Hello, Alexander, can you tell me if I put 4 divided by 2, then what's next?
I don't think he even wants to type in chat.
No, he can type. He will. He will.
10.
Very good. Who said, ooh, Amelia is having a new name of Alexander. Okay,
Bruh.
so let's take a look at number 2. So number 2 is 16 minus something smaller, something times 2. So everybody, when you see a number is like smaller or bigger or equal signs, that is a moment of what? That is a moment of what? That is a moment you can go wild. Okay, so that means the left side is bigger than the right side. So Amelia, I'm sorry, Eleanor, can you tell me what kind of, how big you can go?
你要做草稿吗？
How big you can go?
4.
I'm going to put 1,000 here. Okay, be wild. And Jordan, give me a very big number.
Then the 16's gonna go into the negative.
No, it's okay. You just
You
put,
put
yeah.
a very big number.
Yes, very good. You put another 1,000 here. So this is negative, this is positive. So of course the left will be right. So we can just using these techniques, to do this number 4 question. So everybody, I want you to tell me immediately what's number you're going to put it here.
1,000.
Okay, 8,000. Okay. So who's going to put a number? I'm going to put an 8 because 8 minus 8 equals 0. It's a small number. Get it, everybody? Correct? So I know this question looks very scary, right? Everybody said, oh, I don't know how to do that. But if you're using this technique, it's going to be very good. So everybody, so 16 divided by number times 2 is smaller than 8. So this one we need to think about it, right? So, you know, when I'm doing this, I always put what? The same number, 8 minus 8. So 16 minus 16 equals what? 16 minus 16 equals what?
0.
No, 16 minus 16 equals, oh, sorry. 哎呀，被你们抓住了16 divided by 16等于多少呀？
1.
1, very good. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 2, of course, is smaller than 8. Get it, everybody? So with my helps, everybody, don't you think it's going to be very quick? You understand all of them, right? All of them? Don't you agree with me? Okay, good. Okay, so now, today I'm going to ask Colton. Colton, hey, I know this part is going to be very easy for all. Sorry, Colton is still is calculating and checking. So I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to just review fraction with all of you. Okay, I hope you still remember what is fraction, and we're going to do a little bit of calculation of the fraction as well today. Okay, so boys and girls, let's just take a look at this one. If I have a pizza, who wants to eat pizza? Nobody? Okay, Alan, 女孩子都要吃的，然后 Jordan 说 no， 哎呦，okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so what I'm doing, Jordan, what did I do?
Divide the pizza by 4 into 4 pieces.
Okay, 1 second, everybody. I need to call. 1 second. So, Colton, can you take over and telling them like what is that? I need to. I have
Sorry, what is what?
a fraction.
What about the fraction?
Yeah, 1/4 and 2/4, 3/4.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have 4 pieces here, right? So if we have the entire pizza, hold up, let me get a better thing. If we take this entire pizza, right, we have 4 pieces. You know what? Let's start with the basic. Hold up. Okay, so in a fraction, you usually have something like this. You will have an A and a B. Now, if you don't remember, A is called the numerator, and that is how many pieces you have. And B is called the denominator. That's how many pieces there is in total. So who can tell me what is the B in this situation? How many pieces do we have here?
4.
Yes, 4 pieces.
4.
4 is the denominator in this case. So if let's say I shade in this one part. And we're taking one part. So if we're taking one part, that means 1 will be our numerator. And therefore this is 1/4 of the entire pizza. If I took 3 pieces, it would be 3/4. If I took 2, that will be half a pizza, because if I shade this out, hold up. There we go. That would be half a pizza. Now, if I decided to take the entire pizza, all 4 pizzas, now what happens here is a very interesting thing. When your numerator and your denominator, when A and B, they're the same number in a fraction, this always equals to 1. 5/5 is 1. 3/3 is 1. Why? Because you're taking all of the pieces. Right? Fraction are always smaller than 1, usually, at least for these ones. So you, for example, if you have one piece, let's say 1/2, right? You have half a pizza, and you have another half. You have 2 of them. That's 1 pizza. So if we look back here at our little pizza over here, let's say we have 1/4, right? We took 1 piece. Okay, if we took 1 piece, how many pieces are left?
3.
Yeah, we have 3 pieces. So the pieces that we don't have plus the pieces that we have will also equal to 1. Because 1 is also 4/4. Right? We have 1 piece and we don't have 3 pieces. If we add them together, that's 4. And we have 4 pieces in total. Okay, so that's like basic fractions. Is it all? Hello? Oh God, Carrie is
Thank you very
offline.
good. Yeah, no, I was having a phone call, so somebody,
Bruh.
my teacher called me. Okay, I'm
You
sorry.
have a teacher. Da, 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 da.
Of course, I'm not coming from the stone.
I don't know. You never mentioned any teachers, so I
Okay.
just assumed.
Okay, so everybody, we have learned. Thank you, Colton, for helping me. So we have already learned, right? So Colton, so how Colton has told us the top of this line is called a numerator. The bottom of the line is called a denominator. Okay, if we use Chinese, it's called 上面的叫分子，下面的叫分母，对不对？ Okay, so why? Have you ever heard a thing? Okay, I think maybe Colton know that. His mom probably ever say something like that is 我们还是去做分母吧。
哎呀，
我们还是去做分。
手放下
Okay,
来，
so what does it mean? Like, do you want to be the denominator?
你再动来动去，
Like that.
我请你，我找你麻烦了哈。
If I have an apple, okay, I'm going to share with 6 people. So each people is only going to get 1/6. If I have 1 apple and I'm going to share with 4 people, and each people will only get 1/4. If I have 1 apple and I share with 2 people, everybody will get 1/2. So now, can you tell me, among these 3 numbers, which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest? Think about it, okay? Think about my sentence again. 如果我有一个苹果，我分给6个小朋友 I share with 6 people.
你知道吗？
Everybody, 每一个小朋友 only get 1/6. So in your brain, you have to think about one thing. 一个苹果分给6个人，每个人吃到的比较多呢，还是分给2个小朋友，每个人吃到的比较多？ In your imagination. 好，谁说的？谁说的 ？Jordan 说的，对不对？
1/2 is the biggest, 1/4 is the medium, and 1/6 is the smallest.
Very good. So if you're putting them is like that. So 1/2 is the biggest, 1/6 is the smallest. Everybody, don't you agree with me? Hello? Okay, good job, good job. Okay, 好，那今天我们就来做一个很有趣的事情。Okay, so if I have 2 apples, okay, I have 2 apples, and we're gonna share with 5 people. Who can tell me each of the person? So, okay, every student
他说什么？
可以拿到多少？2个苹果分给5个小朋友，1个苹果分给6个小朋友，每个小朋友拿到 1/6 1/6。2个小朋友，1个苹果分给5个小朋友，每个小朋友就拿到 1/5。那如果有2个苹果分给几个小
看，
朋友？
听听听，
分给5个小朋友。
And 2/5.
谁说的？谁说的 ？OK， Jordan 竟然躲在后面，头都没有了。2/5，
你不用看，不用看，
5分之
只要讲。
2 ，very good。OK， 第2题啊。If
你看
I
你没有讲，
if I have 3 chocolate, if I have 3 chocolate， 虽然老师画画画的很差啊，画画大概是 Albert 画的最好，但是呢，我要分给8个小朋友。3 chocolate equally share with 8 student. Each of the student will get how much? Cat goes quack. Can you tell me?
8 divided by 3.
啊，3个小朋友还是8个小朋友啊？3块巧克力分给8个小朋友。So how much?
2.
3 over 8. Okay, so Amelia, take a look at this one. So the bottom is how many people is going to share, and the top is how many goods are there. 如果有2个苹果，2就在上面；如果3块巧克力，3就在上面；如果是1个苹果，1就在上面。Understand? Okay, Colton, can you take over? So you're going to give them. 哦，我有没有把那个？你可以画吗？
Yes.
Okay, 你可以画。Okay, so Colton, can you take over? So you're going to give them some questions like that. Okay, for instance, 如果有100道题目，对不对？分给5个小朋友做，应该每个人分多少，对不对？好，
Yes.
那么 Jordan 就给他1万道题目，让他一个人。
Oh,
Alexander.
oh my God.
3.
Okay.
Okay.
Albert.
Oh God, Carrie has went offline again. Now we need to take over. Okay, we're gonna give you, let's say, 5 questions because the board allows 5 questions. Haha. Okay. So in the first question, we're going to have, let's say, 23. What should I make? 23 ice creams. This is going to be a very funny one. We have 23 ice creams, but how many are we going to give? We're going to give it to 13 kids. So we need 23 ice creams and 13 kids. And then we can put the fraction there. I'm going to make the fraction sign. Okay. So second question, we're going to have 40 diamonds. I'm gonna give them to, let's say, 6 boxes. I'm gonna put them into 6 boxes. Now, of course, just think of it as a fraction. Don't think if you can get a half a diamond in there or what. Just think of it as a fraction. You don't need to care about that. The next will be an easy one. You have 5 stones. You need to give them to 1 teacher. Oh God, my drawing.
Oh, Colton, thank you. Finally, I find somebody is drawing even worse than me.
No, your drawings are horrible. Next,
Okay,
we have.
Let me just
hold up.
go a pool. 那个我就做一个 pool 啊。
Oh,
如果
yeah.
大家觉得 Colton 画的比我好看的选
What?
A，Carrie 画的比 Colton 好的选 B。OK，Colton 画的好的选 A，Carrie 画的好的选 B。Please hit B, please.
What
Why
is
is there?
again?
Why is there an? Why is there a?
What again?
Why is there a? Wait, why is there a C?
What is for
C 和 D
A?
不算 ，C 和 D 不算，没有 C 和 D， 就 A 是 Colton 画的比 Carrie 老师好 ，B 你就选Carrie 老师画的比 Colton 好。
B 就是 carry 啊，
B 是 Carrie，
What's about D?
没有 D 的。
没有 C。
Bruh.
D 是你画的最好。
Submit.
哎呀，我们 Colton not bad. 40% people chose you, and
Bruh.
60% chose me. But you think about it, right? 我还有淫威呢，所以你不错，你不错。OK.
What is 淫威?
Like I always said 我会威胁他们说啊，你们要是不选我，就打你屁股。
Let's say like 40%
对啊，
of people.
看到
Oh
吗？
my god.
不
Oh my god. So you've been rigging the election this whole time? Ah, you have just exposed yourself. Maybe we should take this to the court. Anyways, question number 4. We have 7 bananas and 3 monkeys. Yeah, I know. I don't know how else to draw a monkey. I'm bad at drawing.
Dude, it's 40
Yeah,
times.
I can draw you an integral. I can't draw you, I don't know, a human. Anyways, we're going to have next, let's see. What is something that I can cut? Okay, good. We're gonna have 51 potato. Wait, no. Yeah, we're gonna have 50. Oh no, no. Wrong one. We're going to have 51 lotuses. Lotus, lota.
I know what the
Lotus.
lotus is.
Exactly. And then we're gonna give that to, let's say, 14.
Is that 50?
We're gonna put it into 14 what? Let's see.
5 heart or 5 something.
14 bows. Yeah, we're gonna put it into 14 bows. There we go. Okay. There we go. Questions are complete.
That have flat balls like that.
Carlton, what's the number 3? 5 heart?
No, that's stones.
Stones. Okay.
It's a rock. I mean, I don't know. How else are you supposed to draw a rock? I mean, I could do this. I could do this.
A half circle. A
There we
half
go.
Okay,
Better
5.
circle.
That's 5 circles.
circle. That's
Um,
not a rock.
It's a circle. Yeah, you know what? Let's change that to a ball. It's a ball now. We're kicking the balls to the teacher.
failure up, Carl.
Okay, everybody. So the first question, who wants to do it? 20
Me.
ice cream and share with 13 people. Okay, Cat goes back. Huh? Colton, 你可以选人。
No, first come, first serve. Everyone go and write on the board.
这样不会讲的。
I don't have that thing.
OK，那你自己嘴
Welcome to
巴说好
anarchy.
了，Amelia，你嘴巴说好了。
Okay, then I'll just put people's names beside there then. Okay, let's see.
Now you can
Who's the next person? Eleanor. Lenore. Jordan. There we go. 5 questions for 5 people.
Albert.
We have a new kid named Albert. Yes. Yeah, why didn't you introduce him? You should have done that at the beginning
Hey,
of
Cat
class.
goes quack. Can you tell me?
Where's
我来帮你写，我来帮你写。
Albert is muted. 13 over 23.
哦，好，13 over 23. Colton，对不对？
Oh no, why are you giving the children to the ice
That's
cream?
Albert.
You're giving the children to the ice cream, Amelia.
想想看啊，想想看，对不对？
Hold up. No, you need to give the ice cream to the children. You can't give the children to the ice cream.
所以，哎，Amelia 老师说过了啊，这个一条线上面的这个东西啊，是你要分给小朋友的东西。你说你是把小朋友分给 ice cream，ice cream 是小朋友。哦，你看到哇，ice cream 就是
Oh my god.
慢慢吃小朋友，哇，that's
Oh
terrible.
god.
So Amelia，我们把 ice cream 放在上面，还是小朋友放在上面
Ice cream.
？Ice cream, very good. So it's 23 or 13.
23.
Thank you very much. 就小朋友放在上面，所以这个怎么读啊？23 over 13. Understand? OK， 好，下面一道题目 ，Eleanor， 哇，40个 diamond 分给6个盒子，哇，到底是哥哥啊？这个马上就是 diamond。OK，diamond。
5, 6, 7.
So can you tell me?
40 over 6.
40 over 6. Colton，对不对？
Yes, but can we simplify?
哎呀，simple 的没学，那你不要搞，不要
I
搞。
can do it.
I was forced to simplify for a lot of times today, okay, in math class.
Okay, next one, Jordan. Jordan 是什么？5个鸡蛋分给一个小朋友。
什么鸡蛋？ It's a
Five.
ball. It's a ball.
哦，5个球分给一个小朋友。Jordan, your
Five
turn.
over 1.
5/1. Very good. OK，好，下面7个 banana 分给3个猴子，对吧？这是猴子吗？
Duh. What else does it look like to you?
哦，我觉得像 spider。
Spider does not have head. Yet did you not learn spider anatomy? In spider, you have 3 body parts. You have head, you have body, you have their giant butt. And then you have like 8 legs coming from the
哦，我
second
知道
part.
spider 特别容易让那个 Carrie 老师打屁股，因为他 butt 很大。OK, Albert,
What?
your turn. Albert, your turn. Albert, 我们来看看7个香蕉分给3个小猴子，每个小猴子拿多少？
7 over 3.
7/3. Very good. Next one, number 5, Alexander. 这个是什么东西啊？51什么？51 what? Alexander?
用完了，你看呢？用完了。
Okay, 51 over 14. Very good. Very good. Good job, Alexander. 很好。哎，Alexander 自己写字了，我们大家一起鼓励他。
Oh, yes.
Okay, very
Yes.
okay. So everybody, so we're learning very good for the fraction. Okay. Now we're going to learn something new. Okay. So we have learned this one. We have learned very, very, very cute thing. Okay. So let's take a look at this one, boys and girls. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. So the first question I want to ask you, if I give you a number is 21. Okay, so I'm going to have a number line like this one is 0. Sorry, this one's 10. This is 20, and this one is 30. Okay, so this is 25. So this is 21. So my question is, if we have learned that one, so I want to learn roundabout. So 21 is close to 20 or close to 30.
20.
Very good. So we're gonna say 21 roundabout to 20. 约等于 20. Okay. So 我们中文叫这个叫什么？叫四舍五入。Okay. So now today we're going to learn this one. So just give me 1 second. I need to show you.
我坐在你对面，你都这个样子，
就是呀，我坐在你对面都这个样子，要不要打屁股？
Bruh.
屁股的样
要不要打？要
要
要。
还没打就要掉眼泪。
没有没有，我跟你讲，Amelia 没掉眼泪，然后 Jordan 在那边哭了。然后 Albert 说了 ，Albert 说不要打，不要打。OK，Alexander 说，我虽然是个 AI，但是我也是有感情的，请你们不要当着我的面打小朋友屁股。OK，so let's take a look at this one. OK，so we're rolling to the nearest 10. So we're close to the 10 digits. So let's take a look at this one. We have 20, 25, and 30. Okay. Find 28 on the number line and label it. So first of all, everybody, please try to just find out where is 28 on this line. 先在这条线上找到28。
你找到就行。
妈妈，这个一个吗？
那个是洗手。
Done.
Okay. So everybody, I'm going to tell you because this is 20, this is 30. So back one, 我们往后退一个 Albert，这个是不是29啊？这是不是28？对不对？28就在这个地方。So the question is 28 closer to 20 or 30? Oh,
28 is closer to 30.
very good. 你看啊，你看妈妈刚才打了屁股了，到底是有用的，对不对？啊，那 cats goes quack，马上就对了，对不对？OK，好，现在我问 What is 28 rounded to the nearest 10？那这个就是什么
30.
Answer is 30。OK，好，我们下面来看一下第二道题目。Colton，can you help them to do the number 2 and the number 3？OK，don't be
Yes.
quick，不然的话，小朋友的妈妈又要跳出来了啊。
Okay. Is 54 closer to 50 or 60? First of all, let's find
50.
54. 54 is
50.
here. And yes, it is
It's
closer to
closer
50.
50.
So what is it rounded to the nearest 10? Also 50.
50. Yeah.
Yes. 76. Where is 76? 76 is here.
80.
Is it closer to 70 or 80?
80.
Yes, 80. So what is it rounded to the nearest 10?
80.
Good
80.
job. Yes, 80. Okay, there we go. Baba beam, baba boom.
全都做完了，对不对？很好，那
Yep.
我们来看一下。Next question. Find the 30 on the number line and label it. 换一个新的小朋友，让他做做看啊。
Done. Done. Miss Carrie, I'm done.
Okay, no, Colton, you're looking for somebody to do that one.
Hmm?
Colton, you find a student. You call.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
I said we make Jordan do it.
Okay. Here is 13.
Yes.
Closer to 10.
Yes. So rounded to the nearest
Okay.
10 is?
Hey.
Okay, so everybody,
Yes.
let's take a look at this one. So we have know how to do the nearest to 10, right?
Mhm.
I'm going to give you some questions, okay? So this time there's no number line help you. 没有绳子了啊，没有 line 了啊，没有绳子了啊。
这边一个，这边给那些书，出现在这个。
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5，5道题目，每个小朋友都 find nearest，哎呀呀呀 ，nearest to 10. Okay, so boys and girls, here you go.
Oh.
做好了告诉我啊，做好了，然后就这样，就这样。
Done. Done.
Okay, good job. 我觉得 cats goes quack 挺好的。他每次做完以后就举一下手，这样挺好的。就他那个，你看他那个，
It's so weird.
你看他旁边有个手的。
好了，
OK，好，每个人都做好了。好，第一题，我们让 54，我们让 Albert 54
Albert Einstein
等于多少 ？Albert
Albert
Einstein，
Einstein.
对呀
Albert
Albert
Einstein
Einstein。Albert 第一题54 ，nearest 等于多少？你把声音打开，你声音不打开我听不见。
He's a bit shy.
然后我们现在 Alexander 2代他是
Alexander 二代。
Albert，想想看，54 nearest to the， 哎呦
会做吗？
，Daniel 你在后面吃冰棍。
不会，
Who is that?
Albert 会吗？
不会。What is？我会。45。
54，如果把它45入到10位数，应该是什么
50。
？Very good， 50。Good job. Okay, so 192 nearest to 10th. Okay, Eleanor.
190.
190. Thank you. 好了，这道题目最难了。199. Jordan.
200.
200. Very good. 42. 42. Alexander, can you do it?
Can he do it? Is the question.
Alexander.
Yes.
对了耶 ，A 又对了 ，A 又对了。Last one, cat goes crack.
I think Alexander has fixed his programming back in the summer.
80. Very good. 太棒了 Okay, so everybody, I think we're ready to move to the forward. So the next one is going forward to the 100, nearest to the 100. 可不可以
We
Okay. What do you think, Colton?
yes.
I think they can move to the 100. Okay.
Yes, I believe.
Nearest 100.
我跟你讲，我
Nearest
昨
100
天
is
我
easy.
昨天陪朋友们去打球，浑身被咬了23个蚊子块。嗯，
你的
谁
防蚊液在哪里？我想知道。
我没有涂防蚊液，我要疯了，我要
23个虫。
23个蚊子块。
嗯，
老师要疯了，我跟你说，我浑身一直都在痒。
那你不涂 After Bite？
对啊，我这个涂了一会儿又要痒了。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So 256 on the number line and label it. So 255, Albert, 听好啊，255在这里。So 256 is here. 256. Correct? So now is 256 closer to 250 or 260? 离250比较近呢，还是离260
260.
Very good. So that's why 256 rounded to the nearest 10 is what? 206. Understand? Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay? If 731 closer to 700 or 800?
700. 700.
Very good, 700. 所以当它 closest to the 700, so 731 rounded to the nearest 100 is 700. OK, 好，后面两道题目 Colton 你来教两个小朋友来回答。
I see. Okay.
我觉得 Colton 好高兴。
First of all, Eleanor, you're doing this one. Ha 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 ha.
还有一道题目，
And
还有一道题目让 Albert 做，让
Albert
Albert。
做。
咕咕嘎嘎。
Albert do number two. What do you mean goo goo gaga?
咕咕嘎
You're 7 years old now. Can't do goo goo gaga no more.
嘎。Okay. $480.
Oh,
450. 7.
Yes. Okay. So 474 rounded to the nearest 10 is?
470.
Okay. Is that Albert going to talk or does he want to write?
Albert.
Albert prefers to write. He is doing it. Oh, wait, no, he turned on his mic. Oh my God. No shy no more. Bro,
100.
bro, Alexander is taking over. Alexander is stealing his question.
Alexander, take stealing. Oh, Alexander is not an AI, I'm pretty sure.
Oh God. Oh,
AI won't
no.
do something like that.
No. His AI is malfunctioning.
Okay, everybody. 900这个是960还是900啊？
这是个900，但是呢，你要把它写得像一个900 ，Alexander。
Okay, very good. Alexander 后面那个老师帮你一下。OK， 好，very good. OK, Albert 明白了吗？懂了吗？OK， 好，我们下面啊再来做一套题目啊。现在是老师出题时间。老师出题时间。哎呀，我跟你讲啊，这个题目是这样的啊。如果我在前面写了个10，说明这道题目是 nearest 10。OK， 对10。如果我在前面写个100。So that means this question is nearest to 10, nearest 100. For instance, 148. 如果 nearest to 10等于什么？150，对不对？如果148 nearest 100等于多少？100。Get it, everybody? So
Yeah.
it's different 啊。当然，我出题目肯定是比别人难一点的，对吧？我是很坏的。
And she will forcefully make you fail on purpose.
啊，这
So
种
you got to be careful.
这
You need
种
to be
这
careful.
种就是 Colton 在那边挑拨离间。
The next thing you know, she's gonna put 1,000.
啊
Oh. When they carry a sauce.
Okay, everybody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5，五道题目 ，OK。
Miss Curie, what are we doing?
题目已经写在上面了，1、2、3、4。好了，妈妈要跳出来了，来，
妈妈
屁股
跳
拿出来，
打
屁股
屁股
拿出来。
，bro.
Colton，你要不要帮助一下这个 Cat Goes Cry？他好像有点不知道。
We need to no. Before we bounce it, we need to do something first. We need to believe in her ability to do so.
你这个人烦。
Alright.
As my math teacher at school said, first of all, you need to let the children complete themselves, or else you won't get help from people in university if you don't have
It's
friends.
done.
Yeah.
10.
But that's what my study group is for. Exactly. Did you guys know I made a study club in my own school?
Yes,
it's working
I
out
already
very
know
well.
that.
OK， 好，那我们第一题156 Colton， 你说让谁来做比较好？
I say we let Albert do it. Albert shall do question 1. Eleanor will do question 4. Amelia will do question 3. And Jordan will do question 2. And we'll let Alexander do question 5.
OK, everybody
Yes.
agreed. 大家都同意吗
Do we agree?
Do you agree?
You can only agree.
我们可以不同意的，不同意
啊，
可以不同意。
那你让我选干嘛？
那不同意我们再商量嘛，对不对？
我这东西为什么会有商量的？你老师教你的时候有商量这一说吗？
哦，我没少跟你商量啊。
没有，我说你被教的时候。
对啊，就因为我就是一个比较耐。
180.
OK，好了，第一题Albert，OK，Albert 156 nearest to 10，你可以选择自己写，也可以那个都可以啊，没关系。Albert，
Albert，
156等于160。
160，很好。
Good
Albert
job.
Albert，我们试试看用英语说好不好？160。
160.
Very good, good job. OK, Jordan，我跟你讲，我经常找不到他人，不知道他去哪了。
200.
Jordan 啊，在这儿，在这儿。那Jordan 跟老师说一下。 Jordan 156. The same question as Albert, but this time we nearest to the 100. Can you tell me the answer?
200. I said that 5 times.
Sorry, I can't hear you. 178. AM 是谁？哦，Amelia.
Amelia.
Amelia. Okay, Amelia, can you tell me? Amelia, 178 to the nearest 100.
200.
200. Very good. Okay. Eleanor, 178 to the nearest 10.
180.
180. Very good. Alexander 已经做好了170。OK， 我们的 AI 已经做好了。Very good. Okay, so boys and girls, I think we're doing very good. Okay, so now last one. Okay, so today we're going to review everything here today. Okay, so that's a review of today's thing. So when we're learning a number minus 8 equals 6, for instance, I'm going to 6 something 3. So everybody, there are actually a lot of possible answers here. 当你看到一个题目，老师给你什么东西减去8等于6什么什么3，其实这个题目里面有多少个答案啊？1, 2, 3, 4, 4 answers. For instance, if I do 6 times 3, and Eleanor, could you please tell me what is the answer you're going to put in the bracket? Hello, Eleanor? 如果这边是6乘以3等于多少？18，很好。那这边呢？要填几？18。是不是加8？是不是加8？所以这边要写26，对不对？好了，那老师说，如果我在这里写的是加号呢？ So on the left side, 6 plus 3. Okay, Albert, can you tell me the answer? 你能不能猜一猜
9.
？9，对不对？那这边填什么？
填
这边填什么
18.
18减8等于9。有没有小朋友要帮一帮他的？10几减8等于9，想一想。
Oh, yes, it is indeed 17.
17.
7. Oh, somebody.
Oh, Alexander. Oh no,
Good
his
job.
AI.
AI.
Alexander 这个暑假肯定去修过他的 AI 了。Like, dude, his processing system is so fast. He predicts the future.
好，那如果这次老师把这边写成6减3呢 如果是6减3呢？6减3就变成3了，那这边填的是什么 ？Jordan。11 minus 8 equals 3. Get it, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. Last one but not least，如果我这边是6除以3呢？这边就变成2了，所以这边就是10了。Okay, so all the different answers for that one. Okay, so we also learned the fraction. Okay, so for instance, if I have 100块钱，我要分给5个小朋友，谁告诉我 fraction 怎么说
100块钱分给5个小朋友。
？100块钱分给5个小朋友 ，so it's
20个100 over
100 over
20个。
Very
怎么
good.
做呢？
Okay, 如果我有1000个苹果，如果我有1000 ice cream,
1000
I'm
ice
going
cream,
to share with 1000 people.
1000 people.
What is the fraction? 1000 ice cream share with 1000 people.
1000 over 1000
Thank you very much. Yeah, AI
equals 1.
very good. Thank you. AI 虽然很快，但是还是cat goes quack 快，因为 cat goes quack 说的比较快。OK， 好，下面一道题目，最后一个啊，如果我们有一道题目，分给5个小朋友做，每个小朋友拿几个？每个小朋友做1/5道题目。Okay, so boys and girls, last but not least, if we have a number 999, and I want you to tell me nearest to 10 and the nearest to 100, they equals to what?
$1,000.
I heard somebody. Okay, Colton, 你能告诉他们答案是什么吗？
Yes. 10 is 1000. 100 is also 1000.
Wow. Okay,
Hey.
everybody, very good. Okay, so good job. Today we have a very, very good class. Okay, so I think 我们虽然有小朋友们一个暑假了，没有上数学课了 but very good. Everybody is doing more than great. Okay, so I'm going to give you some homework, but not a lot. Basically, just whatever today we have practiced. 只是今天上课的时候，老师给你们复习过的东西。OK， 我们下一节课会学更有趣的东西。我们下一节课学小鸟的故事。OK， 就是讲小鸡啊、小鸟啊。你们知道这个家里面养了5只鸡，对不对？对了，所以我们下一个星期呢就讲什么鸡啊、鸟啊、什么兔子啊之类的事情，好不好 ？OK， so everybody, that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.